Hello, this is Gypsy Hawk, and I'm here today to talk about the jade plant. I want to go over some different information on it as far as caring for it and planting and propagating. We'll step in the greenhouse and we'll take a look and see what there is for jade plants today. The jade plant, or Crassulata ovata, has a temperature tolerance of 65 to 70 degrees on the low scale. That's important, especially if you're going to have them outdoors. I have mine outdoors on our pool deck in the summertime, and if you have them outdoors, they do enjoy some full sun and some humidity. Water, though, can be a problem. Only water them after they've dried. Do not overwater. Sometimes that can also be a problem. But other than that, they're pretty easy to maintain. They can thrive in many different settings. They can be an indoor plant or outdoor plant. Please be careful of your zones. The zones that are required for this plant to be outside all year would be subtropical regions, closer to those of the moonflower, which would be regions of 9 and above. They do well in arid environments outside, as they are native to South Africa. This is one that I have right now that I have propagated from a cutting, and we'll go a little bit further into the greenhouse to take a closer look at a full-grown plant. So we're in the greenhouse and we're going to take a closer look at a full-grown plant. This is the one that I use for propagation. This is the adult plant that I use for propagation. It's grown quite large through the years. I think I have to step back a little bit more so you can get a good... It's one plant. Had it for many years, and it loves to be outside in the summertime. However, it does have to overwinter inside, so I bring it in the greenhouse. There's cuttings that I have of it that I have been propagating. There's a few here. I've got some in various places, but there's a couple here, and I have several more in some other places. But that's to give you a good look at one. When you propagate them, they do take a little bit longer than some other plants, so you have to be patient. You can just put the stem in water, or you can use root hormone. That works too. I tend to put them in water, and they root well. It just depends on the plant and the situation sometimes. But I am here for any kind of questions or tips, more hints and tips. If anybody wants to reach out, I'd be more than happy to help you with it. And also, if you could, please visit my Etsy page. I have a featured plant that'll be this coming week, and that'll be jade plant. And they are easy to grow, maintenance free for the most part. There are a few things that you have to remember because it is a succulent plant, but please visit my Etsy page, GypsyHawksGarden. You can find information on this too on my Facebook page, GypsyHawksGarden, or also my Facebook page profile, Gypsy Hawk. So that's it for today on Plant of the Week, the jade plant, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.